Hello everyone and welcome back to 25 Days of Sparkle Day 14. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you are doing well. Today I'm finishing up Beadmas. We're submitting the design today, so I'm going to include some footage of our kind of final result, like our final collaboration for our bead ideas. So we're going to submit those to OHM Beads. I'm so excited. A huge thank you if anyone's watching from my team that helped contribute to the design. I love it so much. It has turned out so wonderful and it is just, I am so excited about it. I'd love to hear what you guys think. Let me know down below. I'm just about to head out with Alice and I just thought I'd quickly share with you. I finally opened 2 of my Bombshell Sportswear items from the Black Friday sale. So the t-shirt I'm wearing and then the leggings that I have on here, which are so soft and so comfortable. I just wanted to go with all the comfortable vibes today. I'm just needing it. So I added on the leggings and the top. They're not sold as a set, but they do match quite nice. The gray colors are slightly off, slightly different, but I love it. This is the little packaging that it came in. It's so cute. And then, if you guys can see, I have my sparkling, of course, Pandora Snowflake earrings. I am not kidding when I tell you guys, I wear these so much during the winter season. I just think they're so pretty. And then I have the little necklace on. Normally I don't wear gym wear as casual wear, but I just needed it today. It's just nice to wear something that makes you feel pretty and good and something new and comfy. So that's what I'm doing. I do plan on doing a workout later in this anyway, so it'll work out. I have my moonstone bracelet that I got from Stephanie on and I love it. Got the same rings that you guys usually see. And then I have my Pandora ME bracelets on. I have the one that a Charm Dreamer Rita, she actually sells RITA LINKS, so with the pearl. It has this gorgeous pearl Swarovski detail to it, which is beautiful. I did this one in Pandora Rose. And then on this one is Pandora ME with the purple metallic heart on there. The woman's symbol and blessed makes me think of my team Resilience or OHM Beads Beadmas 2022. So I love how those turned out. And that also reminds me I should add on my Pandora ME bracelet that Alina gave me. It's the oxidized one. I should go grab that and add that onto my bracelet stack. All right, I grabbed the oxidized bracelet. It is so pretty. I'm so excited to put this on. You can kind of see, I'll hold it up there. It focuses. So pretty, so sweet of her. If you didn't know, I am going to be helping her sell some of her Pandora and OHM Beads pieces on my Poshmark. I did a video, I think it was 1 day ago. You can check it out if you want to see it. And then yeah, I'm hoping to have those. I was actually hoping to have it up, like those items up before Christmas, but since I'm traveling, it wasn't the best time because I won't be able to ship things out. So I think I'm going to open it early New Year. So stay tuned for that. Yay, I'm liking this bracelet stack. All Pandora ME is so sweet. And what's so great with Pandora ME is I was able to build an extra bracelet because of Rita's RITA LINKS. They're amazing. You can shop these. I'll leave a link in my Instagram, my YouTube where you can find them. Oh, they're so pretty. She does a beautiful job making these. Like, I love it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna add my sweater on because it's rainy and cold and I'm probably gonna be freezing if I don't layer up. I mean, it's the middle. Well, I guess technically it's not officially the first day of winter yet, but it's definitely winter here in my area. So this sweater actually I have had since, I want to say I've had it since like either 2010, 2011, I believe. It's from Roots Canada and I love their stuff, like for cozy loungewear comfort. And this sweater literally looks in like impeccable condition. Like it doesn't pill, like it pills a little bit, but hardly at all, and very easy to clean it up. And it's just like the hood has little pockets and it just, I don't know, it's kind of like, always makes me think of Christmas. It's like a cute little Christmas sweater, but you definitely can wear it throughout the winter season, and the details on it are just so pretty. So this is a very casual outfit of the day for me. Like, I'm all about the comfy vibes. So that is my outfit. Let's head off. Let's take Alice for a walk. Hey guys, so I'm back from the walk with Alice and I included a clip from my cell phone because I forgot to bring the memory card for my vlog camera. I remembered that, but did not remember the memory card, which was so silly of me, but we're back. It is freezing outside. It's really like cloudy, gloomy, kind of foggy like, and it's like nice to be wearing. Alice was like, I had never seen her shake so much. I wish I had put her in something a little bit warmer. I had just put her in a raincoat and it had stopped raining. So I did bring this, like the Snugget though, but she wanted to keep walking and get her daily sniffs in. So she's back in the Snugget. And you guys, I have been using this pretty much every day. So I got 2 pink ones and then this one. And this one I've been liking a lot just when it is like more rainy day or whatever, just because if it gets dirty, you can't really tell. And she is just the happiest pup inside here. So what I was thinking, because today I don't have a lot going on, I have 2 DAVIDsTEA boxes to open from the Black Friday sales and Cyber Monday. One was Cyber Monday, one was Black Friday. I'm just gonna open it up on here with you guys. So hopefully that's okay. If you love tea, you will love to see most likely what I got. And even if you don't, I think there's some delicious things in here and perhaps gift ideas too. So we're gonna do that. I think Alice is gonna join me in the Snugget because she's so cozy in here. And all right, you guys, so here are my 2 boxes from DAVIDsTEA. I've had these for quite a few days now and I've been like really wanting to dig in because there's some really delicious Christmas teas in here. So I wanted to wait to film. So here they are. I'm gonna apologize for the lighting. Normally I don't film with this type of lighting at all, but since it's a vlog style, I feel like you guys will be a little bit more understanding with the lighting because the sun is set, so I'm just using artificial light. Okay, I also decided to change the placement of the camera because it was just like too hard to like grab and like show you. So let's open this up. Oh my gosh, there's so much in here. What is this? Oh, that's so cool. There's like a HelloFresh gift card. You can get 7 free meals. That's really cool. Look at all the teas inside of here. Oh my gosh, I went crazy. The deals though, I can't even remember. Like I saved so much money, like crazy amount. Like I pretty much stocked up. Well, I'm probably still gonna go through this quite fast. I drink so much tea, but I could have literally stocked up tea for the year from the sale. It was so good. Okay, I don't know if you guys can see that, but I got 7, if it shows, 7 boxes of Organic the Skinny from DAVIDsTEA. This is an oolong tea, and if you followed my tea like adventures on here on my YouTube channel for a while, you will know the Skinny is one of my favorite go-to teas from DAVIDsTEA. I have it almost every day. It is so delicious, and these ones are the tea sachets, so they come in a little tea bag form. And these are so ideal if I'm traveling, which I've done quite a lot this year. So they're just so easy because you don't have to worry about like having like the steeper and everything to put the tea leaves. You can kind of just pop this in and go. Little look so you can see what it looks like. And then as you can see, I have more that I got here. So we got Silk Dragon Jasmine. I believe I got 6 of these. These are so good. So the Silk Dragon Jasmine is a green tea and it says a magical scent. What happens when the finest spring-plucked green tea leaves are sealed in a room with night-blooming jasmine flowers? Pure magic. So this is like another one of my favorite staple teas from DAVIDsTEA. I love this green tea. I love jasmine tea, and the Silk Dragon Jasmine is just, it tastes so good. So I highly recommend it. I have so many in this box though, like so many to pull out here. Like you guys could see, like I went tea crazy, but I am obsessed with DAVIDsTEA. And by the way, if you're interested in trying any of these teas that I mentioned, I will have links down below in the description bar of where you can find them. I am an affiliate for DAVIDsTEA, which means if you do use those links, I do earn a small percentage of the sale. A huge thank you in advance if you do use those links. It really does help me out a lot. And then next, I got 4 boxes of David's Breakfast Blend, which is basically like an English breakfast tea, but it's DAVIDsTEA's version of an English breakfast tea. It is so good too. And again, I had to get it to go because these were such a good deal. And just for traveling, these are my everyday staple teas, and I have traveled so much and I foresee myself traveling again very soon, and it's just nice to have these on hand. They also make great gifts. Like if someone comes over and they like DAVIDsTEA and they're not a big like loose leaf tea person, I can give them a box. And then here's a look at all of the 4 ones. I have like all the tea in front of me right now. It's hilarious. I think I just got a bunch of Merry Mistletoe, which reminds me of a very old tea called Merry Cranberry. And that tea came out, I believe, back 2012. That was like my first, like I had graduated college and my first real job and everything. And that tea is just such a nostalgic tea. And when DAVIDsTEA discontinued it, I was so sad. And then they came out with Merry Mistletoe. And it smells and it tastes so similar to Merry Cranberry. So many times I still call Merry Mistletoe, Merry Cranberry, because they're very similar and it's so delicious. It is a white tea and inside there's apple pieces, raisins, hibiscus, cranberry apple flavoring. There's more cranberry flavoring there, cloves, apple slices, cinnamon sticks, mistletoe, white tea, and rose petals, and cranberry pieces, and a little bit of stevia extract. And I ordered 6 50-gram bags of Merry Mistletoe. So that's all the stuff. I think that's my first order. Oh my gosh, I forgot one of the Merry Mistletoes, which is inside here. Can you see this little pupster? She is like snoozing in there. Aww. You helping me? Got my scissors. We're gonna open it up. We're gonna see what is inside here. So I am so excited. Here is a look at all the goodness inside. So here are all the Santa's Secret, and I actually share a YouTube video where I share how I like to make this during the Christmas season. And if you would like to see that, I'll leave a link up above the screen on where you can find it. I also show how I make gingerbread matcha from DAVIDsTEA. That video basically shows my 2 favorite Christmas tea drinks that I like to make, and I definitely recommend checking it out if you're curious or intrigued on tea lattes and like holiday yumminess. And then what I love about Santa's Secret is basically a black tea and has like a little kind of mintiness to it. And it just, whenever I smell, it has little candy canes inside too. It's so cute. It just takes me back to, it's kind of like the Merry Mistletoe. Just, there's something that's just so nostalgic about it to me. I have it every Christmas and I always try to save it for Christmas time, and it just gets me in the Christmas spirit and the Christmas mood. So definitely recommend Santa's Secret. Okay, now I'm pulling out all of the Christmas morning ones. This one's also a black tea, and it is the ideal tea on a Christmas morning. You can like make a nice pot of it for you and your family, or just cups of it for you and your family, put in the DAVIDsTEA steeper and just open presents, and it gives you that caffeine boost that you need on the Christmas morning, but it also gives you that like festive loveliness feeling. Inside here you have the black tea, natural vanilla flavoring, white cornflower blossoms, and you have vanilla, and oh, I just love this tea. I think there's still more of it inside here that I'm pulling out, so there's another one. Okay, now I'm pulling out literally all the gingerbread matcha. You guys, this is, I even drink this in the summertime, especially Christmas in July time. I did a bunch of like fun Christmas in July videos, by the way, a lot this past July. If you want to see some like Christmas bracelets and Christmas teas and all the Christmas fun, I would recommend checking those videos out. I think that's all the gingerbread matcha. But here's a look, and as mentioned, I do have a video on how I like to prepare this. I love adding coconut whipped cream to the top. I like froth it. Like I froth my milk with it. I do almond milk. I think oat milk would taste amazing with this too. And then I add the whipped cream on top with the frothed milk at the top. And then I sometimes add sprinkles if I want to be extra, or cinnamon, and it's so good, guys. I highly, highly recommend it, especially if you're new to matcha. The flavored matchas are a great way to introduce yourself to matcha, especially, you know, some matchas can be a little bit more bitter or earthy tasting, and this one's like a nice kind of compromise. It has that sweetness to it and that nice flavor to it, but you can still taste the matcha to kind of adjust your taste buds a little bit. I just found another Christmas morning, so I buried that somewhere. And now it looks like all that is left is organic, the skinny from DAVIDsTEA, which you guys saw all the boxes. I think it's safe to say this haul literally shows some of my most top favorite teas from DAVIDsTEA, because clearly these are like the teas that I drink the most of, and that if they're on sale, I really need to stock up. Here's a bunch of organic, the skinny loose leaf. I got a ton. I'm so excited, guys. And you guys, I need to look it up, and I'll put like a little message here somewhere where I can show you how much money I saved, because it was like a crazy insane. If my friend Patricia is watching, hi Patricia, if you're watching, she knows, like we saved like, we were like text messaging each other after both times we ordered, and we were like, we felt like we got the most insane deals from DAVIDsTEA. Like we saved so much money, and we were both so happy we had waited to place our orders for like holiday stuff because we saved so much. Another 2 boxes, guys, of organic the skinny, and you bet I'm gonna be making some organic the skinny after this, or Christmas morning. I am really debating because I haven't had that Christmas morning tea since last Christmas, and it will be delicious. Look at this cutie in her snugget. She's just loving it. I want to like lower the camera so you can literally see the amazing tea mess in front of me. Let me show you. Okay, can you guys see literally like Alice is like, Mom, you're crazy. How much do you love tea? This is how much I love the tea, guys. Oh my goodness. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I'm obviously very tea obsessed. I'm very excited. I have to finish up some Beadmas stuff. I need to submit the design still, and I need to make a cover photo for 25 Days of Sparkle Day. I think I combined 12 and 13 together. So I need to go do that because I posted day 11 and 12, 13 on the same day, which was today. So I got to get that quickly done for you guys. So I'm back on track. It's been emotional the past couple of days. Like, I don't know if I can't remember if I've like talked a bit about that, but just some other stuff going on. So it's just been like the highs and the lows, right? And life kind of throws you. And I feel like it's affected me a little bit with the content on here, but I'm hoping to get back on track a bit. But just like, yeah, it's just been a tough past couple of days emotionally. So hanging in there and I'm doing okay, but very much excited for the tea time. That's gonna help a ton. Right now she's just a little snoozer. You know, snoozing. She loves the snugget, guys. Anyway, I'm just rambling chit-chatty-ness to you guys. Hopefully you don't mind. Hey guys, so I finished my workout. It was leg day today. And I had some ab workout for like Pilates stuff and my physio. And it was a really hard workout because I'm having the worst migraine and pain. And yet I just wanted to push through it, but I'm feeling like maybe that wasn't a good idea. I'm in a lot of pain now. But I'm proud of myself because I did it. And I love my new Bombshell Sportswear stuff. Like, it works so good. Like, you can't even, I mean, I'm like really sweaty. It held up so good. I'm obsessed. Really soft too. So I love that. I got to take Alice out, but I think I need to like lie down because I'm just feeling like a little, I think I overdid it. I don't know, sometimes I get so determined, and I had to take a lot of breaks too, like during it. And that's how I knew, like, okay, maybe I shouldn't be doing this, but I was like determined, Emily, to get it done. But just all this is like really flaring up now. So that's the consequence. And then my eyes get really like affected. If you notice that I'm not looking at the camera, it's like up close stuff when this stuff gets really bad is like hard for me to focus on. So I'm like trying to look, but then it's like bothering my eyes. Anyway, I'm rambling. Chronic pain life. And that it is what it is. I still need to finish up OHM beads, so I might put on my glasses. I have these glasses to help when this stuff is bothering me. So just to kind of power through and get that done, and like for Beadmas. And I was listening for my workout, I was listening to, what is it called? Never Giving Up. It's a song I discovered a couple months ago, and I just have it on repeat, and I just find like it makes me think of my bead Don't Give Up by OHM Beads, the one I designed with them. And but it also is just such like, I feel like the song was just like written for me. Like it could be written for anyone, you know, going through stuff. But I think it's very uplifting and powerful. If I find out, I can't think of the artist's name off the top of my head, but I'll leave it in my description bar in the YouTube area if you guys are interested or need something motivational. It might not be like the best workout song, but for some reason, sometimes these motivational things really help me. So thought I'd recommend it. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. So I ended up taking Alice for a walk and just not feeling good. So I went to bed early. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I'm sorry I didn't have a chance to film an ending, but I will see you guys in tomorrow's 25 Days of Sparkle, day 15. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you later.